This is your classic failure is always an option Cinderella story. Got this TV here, and by got it, I mean I pulled it out of a dumpster. It's a great big LG LCD TV from 2006. And we've had decent luck fixing these things, and it's almost always these bad boys. So I popped the back off, and sure enough, every one of them, at least of this size, is domed. And some of them are actually discolored and show signs of leaking. Okay? Bingo. Got our culprit. Order up some brand new caps. They were all on this board right here. Order up some brand new caps. Did a beautiful video of how to swap them out, which totally failed when this camera choked on the footage. But regardless, go and fire it up. Nothing. It's exactly the same. I don't know what's wrong with it. This board here howls when you turn it on. It won't fire the backlights. We got it to come on and stay on once, but it had all sorts of crazy colors. It's one of those things where I probably could fix it. I could probably source boards for it and swap them out and track down which ones were bad. But at what cost? I mean, boards for this thing would probably be $100 a pop. There's at least 4. So, you know, you roll the dice. So at best, right, $100 TV that I didn't need. And what am I going to do with it? Sell it? Oh yeah, here's this 10-year-old TV that are all famous for having bad capacitors. Don't worry about it. I promise I switched them. No one will buy it. So, because I need the table saw today, this bad boy is going the way of the dodo bird. We're just going to buzz it apart, save all the screws, and throw the rest away. Maybe save some of the innards for bad doings at a later date.
You cut out that scrap of oak.
I can't cut out anything until I've gotten this all taken apart. Once I do that, I can take out some more.
So, Daddy, when I'm putting that piece of oak can be cut, there you release it, because it'll be this wide.
Okay.
That piece of oak to be this wide.
I don't know what that is. That's not oak, though.
Whoops.
You can take that outside if you want. Yeah?
These magnets hit the little clamp.
Okay, those lightweight gray ones go in a special can. They go in a different can.
What's that one?
Let's see, what color is the can? It is a plastic bucket that's got other gray metal in it. Can you put it in there for me?
Sure, Daddy.
Thank you very much. You're doing an awesome helper job.
Those keyboards go in that red bin?
And the green boards go in the red bin. You're right. Man, you know a lot of things. The wires go in a white bag full of other wire. Well, there's the glass liquid crystal display, which actually, if I'd have been thinking, would have had some value for somebody who broke their own screen. But I was too rough, and I ripped that off right there. Dang. To have a screen that was known to be functional. But there it is. There's the liquid crystal goodness right there. What are the chances that I could have mailed this thing anywhere around the country and not had it break? I'd have spent more time and effort trying to package this stupid thing than anything else. We got 2 different layers of glass with the LCD sandwiched in between. We will definitely have to come up with an experiment for this. I don't know what experiment, but an experiment. And there we go, one complete LG teardown. And all the various pieces will go off and live again. The aluminum will go to become other electronic scrap in China. This plastic will be wrapped around the neck of a starving polar bear to help it float. Some of the various innards will be melted down for their creamy, creamy electronic goodness. At least it didn't go into the landfill. Even if I couldn't fix it.